Ndongoi wa ngwatanio ya Azimio Kenya Raila Odinga niwaumania vanene kiko cha enenthi kwomboangia wa Nyumba kuu ya kithekani cha Portland kilake Athi River nthini wa sub-county ya Mavoko. Raila Aneena niwaaweta kana kiko kiini cha Usatani kuwa itula muti muvea wa volisi kwa kilao kuweta kana maovisaa ma volisi makete kwithiwa maitumika nae kwomboanga nyumba ilivoti umbanitu ni umwandikitwa mavo Joseph Kitheka.
A lot of activities are going on there.
We are not interfering with whatever they are doing.
Aneena gavina kala etambukire kisioni cha Portland Athi River indi afikiana usiiwa ni maovisaa ma volisi kulika nthini. Raila niwaumania tambia ya kwomboangia enenthi ya nyumba syoo vala waweta kiini ute na haki cia enenthi ayenda serikali kuungamia undu uu.
What has gone on here in Masaku these past few days is not just inhumane. It is also ungodly. What is going on here is forced eviction, the exact crime Ruto promised to bring to an end in July last year. It's a gross violation of human rights, the right to adequate housing at a time the administration purports to be working to ensure that everyone has shelter. What is the urgent use that could not allow people time to move out by say next year? Are there personal interests riding on the guise of public interest? Does the East African Portland Cement understand that there are things people can do to fight back and even end its existence as a company? We therefore demand investigations and accountability of everyone, private and public, involved in this.
Ni wadula muti President William Ruto nundu wa kwitha aendeena kukilia ate kunenea undu uu undu umwe na kwitha atumite vinya mwingi wa kutumia maovisaa ma volisi kuungamia iseso ya kunyamasya ekali a.
The evictions have been accompanied by the excessive use of force by the police and local authorities. They have been intended to inflict inhuman pain and damage. There are reports of injuries and theft of property belonging to the people whose suffering and loss is already too grim. A regime whose top leadership never missed an opportunity to show that they are deputies of Christ is presiding over the demolition of houses of worship.
Ingi Raila niwawetekana andu wala maendeena kwomboangia wa nyumba hii ni andu matena ukwati yenda serikali kuosa itambia ya mituki kumamanthia vala matonya kuthi kwa OU.
The affected families, some among the poorest of the poor and their upcoming middle class, have not only witnessed lifelong savings demolished and crushed to ashes. This destruction of lifelong savings of people has come at a time that Kenyans are struggling with extremely high taxes, high cost of living, and a collapsing Kenya shilling. Without compensation, those who have lost homes will certainly never be able to rebuild.
Kavinda alikura ila niwaweta motangaliko ya ulei mahisa ikalanthi na kuona undu uwende vala masia nimegusukithia kotini kuhusia.
We, as Azimio, we can't let this continue to go on unchallenged. We are determined to ensure that cruel crime is answered for. Somebody will have to take the responsibility for this bestiality. The Kenya Kwanza administration must immediately halt any further demolitions. It must share with the victims and the country the immediate plans to pay compensation for the property that has been unlawfully destroyed and to find alternative settlement for the victims.
Same status.
Raila yatiani na Ndongoi maazimio evo mutongoi wa waipa Kalonzo Musyoka, gavana wa Masaku wa vinya nditi, mbunge wa Mavoko Patrick Makau, undu muna mwandiki munene wa chama cha ODM wala ingine Senator Wailovi Edwin Sifuna kati wa Ndongoi ingi.
Listen, this one Joseph, let me tell you. This might define your own future and the future of your
No
children.
problem.
Just because the president alikuja akapeana amri, that's what you're following blindly.
Nani amefanya amri?
Of course he gave orders here.
Who?
He the president mwenyewe.
I was not in the meeting.
Ah,
yes.
Okay. But you're following what was communicated.
Joseph Kitheka ngilivotea vilingi wa Movo Mutongoi TV.